everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on the journey into the enchanting world of Boho Chic Decors. Picture a space filled with vibrant colors, lush greenery and an eclectic mix of pattern and textures. That is the essence of Boho Decor. And in this video we will show you how to infuse your home with the free inspired Bohemian vibe you have always dreamed of. Well, let's dive right in and explore the art of boho decor together. We will begin with the living room where we will discover how to mix and match colorful through pillows, rugs, and unique furniture pieces to recreate a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. We will share tips on incorporating plants and natural elements to bring the outdoor inside. Moving on to the bathroom and first of all to the bedroom, we will unveil the secret of crafting a boho oasis for rest and rejuvenations. Think dreamy canapes and macrame wall hangings and a delightful blend of vintage and handmade treasures. Bohemian kitchen. Absolutely. We will guide you through adding boho flair to your culinary space. From open shelving with a collection of color dishes to cozy breakfast nooks add over your morning coffee. If you have an outdoor area, don't worry, we have got you covered too. We will showcase ideas for creating a boho paradise on your patio or balcony complete with comfy sitting, twinkling string lights and cozy blankets for those cooler evenings. And for all you dietitians, we have included a section on crafting your own boho decor. Learn to make macrame plant hangers, beaded curtains, and more, adding your unique touch to your bohemian heaven. Throughout the video, we will share you budget-friendly sources and thrifty tips for finding boho treasures, ensuring that you can embrace the style without breaking the bank. Whether you have always had a love for all things bohemian or you are just beginners to explore the vibrant colored styles, our boho chic decor ideas will inspire you to create a space that reflects your unique personality and spirit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will not miss any of our